Hey! It's Nia. Hello, future leaders and entrepreneurs. Welcome to our Business Titans episode on FactFox Weekly. Today, we are diving into the stories of some amazing leaders who have changed the way we shop, connect, and even travel to space. Get ready to be inspired by their incredible journeys and groundbreaking achievements. Let's go! First up is Elon Musk. Here is a man whose ideas seem straight out of a science fiction movie. The mastermind behind Tesla and SpaceX, and a true innovator with his eyes set on Mars. His achievements are a lot. Founded Tesla, which transformed the way we think about electric vehicles. Created SpaceX, making rockets reusable, and planning ambitious missions to colonize Mars. Grok 3, a cutting-edge AI-driven initiative giving competition to ChatGPT. Rebranded Twitter as X, taking bold steps to reshape social media and online communication. Next, we have Jeff Bezos, the man who turned online shopping into a global phenomenon with Amazon. Starting as a mere online bookstore in 1994, little did he know it would grow into the biggest online marketplace in the world. Other innovations: expanded into cloud computing with AWS, powering some of the biggest websites and apps today. Started Blue Origin to explore space. Meet Mark Zuckerberg, the genius who created Facebook, connecting billions of people around the world. He co-founded Facebook, now Meta, a platform that brings friends together. It owns a number of other apps like Instagram and WhatsApp, expanded into virtual reality with Oculus, building a digital playground for video games. Now, let's look at Mukesh Ambani, a true business giant who has transformed industries and made India a global player in business. Richest Indian, chairman of Reliance Industries, a leading business house owning various companies. Expanded into retail and e-commerce, entertainment, telecommunications. Brands associated with him include Jio Mobiles, Agio, Jio Hotstar, Hamleys, and many more. Wow, what an incredible journey through the achievements of these business giants. Before we move on, let's revise. 1. Tesla, SpaceX, X, formerly Twitter, Grok. Who's the mastermind behind these groundbreaking ventures? Elon Musk. 2. Amazon, AWS, Blue Origin, who transformed online shopping and is now aiming for the stars. Jeff Bezos. 3. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Meta, who made social media a part of our daily lives. Mark Zuckerberg. 4. Reliance, Jio, Hamleys, who brought a digital revolution to India. Mukesh Ambani. Great job, future tycoons! Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, maybe your name will be on this list one day. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get updates on the next episode.